Set notation is a mathematical notation or symbol used to describe and manipulate sets. Knowledge of set notation makes it super easy to represent sets, describe relationship between sets, and perform operations on sets. Curly brackets are used around objects belonging to a set. The objects in the curly brackets are the elements of the set. Sets are named using capital letters. Some selected letters are used to name some special sets. For instance, U represents a universal set. To represent a set of natural or counting numbers, the letter N is used. To represent a set of integers, the letter Z is used. Integers are positive and negative whole numbers. For instance, the set below is named Z because it only contains integers. A set of all numbers that can be expressed as a fraction is a set of rational numbers. Q represents a set of rational numbers. Let's take the set Q below as an example. We can also name a set using an alphabet of our choice. For example, the set E below is a set of even numbers. An empty curly bracket or the symbol phi is used to denote an empty or null set. The set D is an example. When listing the elements of an infinite set, it is not possible to get to the end of the list. So an ellipsis is placed just before the closing curly bracket to indicate that the list continues indefinitely. An ellipsis is this symbol that is made of 3 dots. Next is the element of notation. If an object can be found in a given set, we can express that mathematically using this symbol. So, to say that 3 is an element of n, we write this. Also, this symbol is read as not an element of. It is used to indicate that an object is not a member of a given set. Considering n, which is a set of counting numbers, k is not an element of n. To express that mathematically, we write this. Now, intersection. To express the intersection of sets, we use this. Intersection of sets is what the sets have in common. Look at the set A and B. Only 5 and 7 appear in both sets. So the elements of the set A intersection B are 5 and 7. Now, union. Union of two sets is the combination of all elements of both sets without repetition. This is the symbol for union. The set A union B contains all elements in A and B. If some elements appear in both sets, they should not be repeated. This is the set A union B. Next is subset. To indicate that a set is a subset of another, use this. All elements of set A are also elements of U. So A is a subset of U. Mathematically, it is written like this. If a set is not a subset of another set, we use this symbol to denote that. It is noted from the above says that C is not a subset of U. Mathematically, it is written like this. This is the superset symbol. The set A derives all its elements from the set U. So U is a superset of A. So we write this. A is a subset of U but not a superset of U. To say that A is not a superset of U, we write this. To show that an element is not in a set, we use the complement on the name of the set. This is the symbol for complement. The element of the set B complement are the elements that are not in B. Looking at these two sets, B complement will contain 4 and 5. Lastly, we use the equal sign to show that two sets have exactly the same elements. Look at these two sets. They have exactly the same elements, so they are equal sets. To say that C is equal to D, we write this. To show that two sets do not have exactly the same elements, we use the not equal to symbol. Look at the two sets. K and L are not equal sets, so we will write this.